Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing the topic mensuration. After discussing about the area, we are now switching over to the volume of cube, cuboid, and cylinder. Okay. Now the definition of volume: the space occupied by an object in three dimensions. Okay, that is volume. So we will see the formula for the cuboid, cube, and cylinder. First one, volume of cuboid. This is a cuboid. Okay, this is a length, this is breadth, and this is height. Okay, the volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. L into B into H. But L into B, L into B, this colored or red part is base area. Okay, hence the volume of cuboid is base area into H, unit cube. Remember, in area it was unit square, now here it is unit cube. Okay, so we move on to the other formulas. Second one, volume of cube. This is a cube, all sides are equal. This is length, this is breadth, and this is height, all are L. So volume of the cube is L into L into L, but L into L, base area, you know this colored or red part, this is L into L. Hence, volume of cube will be base area into L, unit cube, or L cube, unit cube. Okay, very simple. And the third one is volume of a cylinder. You know, cylinder has this circular part, base, same as this, and this is the height, which is H. The volume of cylinder will be base area into H. Base of area of this will be pi r square. You know, the area of the circle, which is pi r square, into H will be this height. So volume of cylinder will be pi r square into H unit cube. Okay, do represent these units. Okay, so by add all these three formulas and we will use them in actual problems. Okay, now difference between volume and capacity. Go through this comment. There is not much difference in volume and capacity. Volume is amount of space occupied by container, and capacity is quantity that container can hold. Okay, so go through this difference. Okay, is some mathematical part is given here. Consider the following cylinder. This is talking about this. Its red part shows the capacity. That means, see, it's given here amount of liquid it can hold. Okay, but the volume is equal to pi r square into H unit cube. This is R. Okay, and area of this is pi r square into H. That will be volume. This is R with respect to the outer walls. Okay, if the walls of the cylinder are so thin, it's talking about the material of this container. Okay, walls are so thin that volume can be neglected. Volume of the actual material like polythene. Okay, so are so thin that outer radius and inner radius are almost same. Okay, then volume is equal to capacity. Got it? Very simple. Now the units. Capacity is generally measured in liters, denoted by L, capital L, and milliliters, like this, ml. Though there is no hard and fast rule that it has to be measured in liters. Got it? Capacity and volume both can be measured in either centimeter cube and meter cube, or milliliters or liters. Got it? But in this case, you need to have the relation between ml and cm cube. The relation between cm cube or centimeter cube and liters is given here. Go through this. By this, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml, or 1 meter cube is equal to 1 into 6 zeros centimeter cube, that is equal to 1000 liters. Okay, go through this, by this, and if you use this in problems, then it will automatically, you can be familiar with this. Okay, I will solve some exercises or some problems. Okay, first exercise, problem number 1. A cuboid is of dimensions 60 centimeter into 54 centimeters into 30 centimeters. How many small cubes with a side 6 centimeters can be placed in the given cuboid? Okay, remember this, cubes and side is 6 centimeter. Okay, answer, draw a rough sketch of this type, where this is 60 length, even this is 60, this is 30 breadth, and height is 54 centimeters. Okay, and now the mathematical part. The volume of the cuboid is equal to L into B into H, where L is equal to 60, breadth is equal to 30 centimeters, and H is equal to 54 centimeters. Okay, so substituting these values, get 60 into 30 into 54 centimeter cube as centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Okay, now do not multiply at this stage. Okay, you may get advantage of not multiplying it at this stage. Okay, now the next part, see this part. Let n numbers of small cubes of size 6 centimeters be placed in the above cuboid. Okay, so the numbers we have considered is n numbers. Okay, so volume of cubes, one cube, this is a formula, L cube. L is not this L, but this L is equal to 6 centimeters, the side of the cube. Okay, so total volume of n numbers of cubes will be n into L cube, where L is 6, so that will be equal to n into 6 cube centimeter cube, because this is in centimeters. Okay, so this is equal to this, so we take it like this, n into 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube equals 60 into 30 into 54 centimeter cube. This is very important, as we are dealing with volume, you must specify this. Okay, it may so happen that we may have different units and may need some calculation, or as we call it as a factor. Okay, you will come to it whenever the problem comes. Okay, so in this case, n is equal to all this divided by 666, that is 6 into 6 into 6. So therefore n is equal to 60 into 30 into 54 divided by 6 into 6 into 6. So this 6 goes with this 10, this 6 goes with this 5, and this, that is why I told you do not multiply, though that is not wrong, but you may get advantage of this type of cancellation. Okay, so this is 9 into 5, 45 into 10, 450 cubes, as unit gets cancelled, and you need only how many small cubes, a number, so that will not have any units, so 450 cubes. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this. Exercise number 2 or problem number 2. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeters. Okay, so you may read once again till you understand this properly. Okay, answer, As volume is given in meter cube here, we have to convert it into centimeter cube because diameter means radius. Okay, half of the diameter will be radius is given in centimeters. Okay, units should be same. Okay, of course you can convert this into meter, but that will be complicated. Okay, so convert this into centimeters. This is the formula. 1 meter cube is equal to 160 centimeter cube. That means 1.54 meter cube will be 1.54 into 1 into 60 centimeter cube, or this will be 154,000,040 centimeter cube. Very simple. Okay. Now draw this diagram, rough diagram. Always draw it. Okay. That you don't get confused. H we have to find out. Volume is 1.54 cubic meters, and we have converted into the centimeter cube. Diameter of this is 140 centimeters. That means radius is 70 centimeters. Okay. For this, we have to draw this. Okay, so that the picture is clear. Now, further part, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. You know this, it's very famous. So pi r square into h is equal to this 154,000,000. So we have to find h. So we are taking h on this side and converting all others that side. You know these simple calculations. Pi goes down, r square also goes down. So 154,000,040 divided by 70 into 70, that is r square, into this pi is on denominator side, so 7 upon 22. You know this. Okay. So now have these calculations. This 7 should go with this, 0 will go, another 0 will go, and this 7 go with this, gives you 22. Two zeros are remaining, and 22 will go with this. Okay, do these calculations, and you are left with 1 and 0 0, or 100 centimeters. Okay, because we have taken r in centimeters. Okay, or 1 meter, that is height. Okay, he has not specified that you have to give height either in centimeters or meters, so anything will do. Okay. Okay, so we move further. Third exercise, read it. If each edge of a cube is doubled, first one, how many times will its surface area increase? And second one, how many times will its volume increase? So try to understand this properly, because this has application in other subjects as well. Okay. Now answer, consider a cube of a length x. This is cube having a length x. Okay, all x, and we have doubled the sides. This is 2x, this is 2x, that is here, and height is also 2x. Okay, now you will see the surface area of cube is 6x square. You know this. Okay, now this is a comparison. For cube 1 is this, and for cube 2 is this. Okay, so first one is total surface area of this is equal to 6 into x square, and total surface area in this case it will be 6 into 2x, as 2x is its side, so 2x the whole square. Okay, so this will be 6 into 4x square. Okay, so I'm rearranging them. So 6x square equal to, taking 4 out, 4 into 6x square, so area is increased by 4 times. Okay, so increase in total area is 4 times. Okay, so got it. Now for the volume. Total volume is x cube. You know this. And in this case, volume is 2x the whole cube. That is 8x cube. Very simple. X cube equal and 8x cube. So increase in volume is 8 times. Okay. So remember this, or you may remember this forever, because this has application in physics and biology also. Okay. Fourth one, water is pouring into the cuboidal reservoir at a rate of 60 liters per minute. Okay. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the numbers of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Okay. So there is the reservoir. Draw this rough diagram, and its volume is 108 cubic meters, and is filled being filled with the rate of 60 liters per minute. Okay, water is being poured in this. So keep this figure in front of your eyes, and then we go for the answer. Answer is, as the rate at which the reservoir is filled is given in liters. This is in liters. Okay, we have to convert the reservoir volume in liters. This. Okay, because this is in meter cube, this is in liters. This will not do. Okay, so to convert either of them in same unit, this is very easy to convert, so we are doing that. We recollect the formula: 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So 108 meter cube is equal to y liters. Okay, when you deal with such type of conversion, see that same units or same volume or time is on one side and other is on the other side. You will come to know as we solve some more problems. I have solved such problems in many other topics. Okay. So here cross multiply y is equal to 1000 into 108, or is equal to 108,000 liters. Okay. Now the second part, 60 liters corresponds to 1 minute. That's the rate. So how much time it will take to fill this? 108,000 is equal to z minutes. See, even here liters is on one side, time is on the other side. Okay. So should be like this. Okay, you may take it like this, but then both should be on left side. Okay, and cross multiply, you have to find z equal to 108,000 divided by 60. 00 goes, and then 6 goes here, get 18. What is left is 1800 minutes. Okay, but this is not the end of the problem, because we are asked to calculate in hours. So you have to convert this in hours. If you live here, examiner may cut your marks. So 1800 divided by 60 is 30 hours. Okay, and this comment, final answer, it will take 30 hours for a survey to fill completely. Okay, so this is how you have to answer it, and this is how you have to convert. Okay. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you have any difficulty in this topic of mensuration, let me know through comment section and I shall solve it. Thanking you. Good luck. Okay.